Hey everyone, today I will show you how to migrate to Shopify, and here's how it is done. Log in to Shopify. Go to the Shopify website and log into your account or create a new one if you haven't yet. Choose a plan. Select the plan that best suits your needs and budget. You can start with a free trial if available. Export data from current platform. Access the admin dashboard of your current platform. Export your products, customers, and order data. This usually involves downloading CSV files. Make sure to save these files to your device. Import data into Shopify. In Shopify, go to your admin dashboard, click on Products, import for products, and upload the CSV file. Repeat for customers and orders by navigating to Customers, Import, and Orders. Import. Set up your store. Choose and customize a Shopify theme from the online store. Themes section. Configure your store settings by going to Settings. Adjust preferences for payments, shipping, and taxes. Add essential apps. Visit the Shopify App Store to add apps that enhance functionality, such as email marketing or SEO tools. Test your store. Run a few test orders to ensure everything is working correctly, including payment and shipping. Launch your store. Once you are satisfied, remove any storefront password and make your store live. Promote your store. Share your store on social media, update your marketing channels, and start driving traffic to your new Shopify store. And that is everything you need to know about how to migrate to Shopify. And may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.